It was our first day here in the hospital in Southern Iraq, and we spent the morning walking around the hospital ward and meeting parents, seeing kids that are waiting in line for surgery, and it's always good. I mean, it's good to see kids, but it's hard because there's so many families there, and we walked by the waiting room, and it was just packed with families.
What did I do to deserve to breathe free, to hope, to dream? What did you
Surgeries went great. Doctors were pleased with everything they were able to accomplish, all of the training that happened throughout both surgeries, and so now we're just hanging around and waiting for the third surgery.
fighting chance?